Hello everyone, welcome back to Agastya Embroidery Boutique YouTube channel. This is welcome tutorial number 16 in our beginner series. In today's video, we are going to learn about stitch angle in satin stitch. I will explain this very simply so beginners can easily understand. Let's begin. Now, first I will create a simple shape. I select column B tool. I draw a simple straight rectangle. Left click, enter, left click, left click. After finishing the shape, I press enter to complete the object. This is a basic satin stitch shape. This is the default stitch angle. The stitches are moving in this direction. For beginners, this default stitch angle is okay. Now I will change the stitch angle. Now I select this object. Next I go to the left side toolbox. Here I click on the stitch angle tool. Left click, enter. This line shows the stitch angle. When I move this line, the stitch angle changes. So stitch angle controls the direction of satin stitches. Stitch angle means the direction of the satin stitches. Same shape but different stitch angle gives a different look. Now, an important tip for beginners. You do not need to change stitch angle for every design. For practice designs, the default stitch angle is enough. First, focus on drawing clean shapes and learning the tools. So remember, stitch angle controls stitch direction. Small change gives visual difference. Default angle is okay for beginners. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Agastya Embroidery Boutique. See you in the next tutorial.